Hello and welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. Today I want to teach you how to turn on the closed caption to translate my videos into another language. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up another screen and I will show you step by step how to do this. It's very simple. And let's see. All right, here we go. So I went ahead and pulled up one of my videos, and we are going to auto translate my video into another language. Now on my channel, I went ahead, this is a new thing to me. I didn't know how to do this. I just learned. So I've translated my videos into Filipino, Arabic, Chinese, Romanian, and Spanish. If there's any other language that you would like to request for me to put on my channel, please let me know down below in the comments. But I'm going to go ahead and show this to you. So here at the bottom of a video, when you click on it, you click the CC for closed caption. And you can see it's popped up and there's a little red line under the CC for closed caption. Next step, you're going to click on this little setting gear and it's going to pop up subtitles and it says English auto generated. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to see it's already check marked for English auto generated. We want to click on auto translate. So go ahead and click that. And then once you click that, then you can scroll down to the languages that I have. And we'll go ahead, since this one first popped up, Filipino, we'll click that. And then we'll press play. And it auto translates it right here on the screen for anybody that speaks another language. Isn't that pretty awesome? I thought that was a pretty cool feature. So if you're a YouTube creator and you didn't know that, here's simple steps to turn that on. And for any of my viewers that speak any other foreign language, welcome to my channel, and I hope you enjoy this feature. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.